Hi dear students, myself Vijay Pratap Singh. Now today's topic is industry. This is the chapter second, Indian economy 1950 to 1990. In between that, we have to discuss about the industrial development and how our industries are developed according to these things and this situation. So with the help of that, we can able to know these things and what is the industrial development we will also know in this video. But dear students, first we have to know, listen carefully, our India got freedom in 1947. Before that, here is the British rule, and British are doing rule here, and that's why they don't want to develop our country. So they had not given any opportunity or modern machinery or financial development. That's why our industrial development is very weak. But after getting independence 1947, we had started planning commission in 1950, and according to planning commission we had started our 5-year plan in the first time 1951. According to these all things we are getting development. So 1950 to 1990 we can able to know how much we are getting development in our industrial relationship. So dear students, we have to know we are getting more and more development after independence between the time of 1950 to 1990. This is the very important part, and according to these things only we are developing day to day. And nowadays we have a lot of good qualities machinery, each and everything we have, and we can able to do our each and every activity in the proper way. So this is the important part of our industrial relationship. So now come on the topic and listen. Economists have found that poor nations can progress only if they have the good industrial sector. ठीक है, आपको ये बताया जा रहा है कि एक गरीब से गरीब देश आगे बढ़ सकता है अगर उसका इंडस्ट्रियल रिलेशनशिप सबसे अच्छा हो या उसके इंडस्ट्रीज सेक्टर अच्छी हो, वो देश नंबर 1 पोजीशन पे पहुंच सकता है. इंडस्ट्रीज प्रोवाइड एम्प्लॉयमेंट विच इज़ द मोर सुटेबल दैन द एम्प्लॉयमेंट इन एग्रीकल्चर. ओके, इंडस्ट्रीज आर प्रोवाइडिंग मोर एम्प्लॉयमेंट and we need employment to develop our country. It promotes the modernization and overall property, and we can say propensity also. It is the season or region that is the 5-year plan. At a lot of industrial development we are getting between in these 5-year plans. You might have studies in the previous chapter that at the time of independence, the variety of industries are very limited. It was largely confined with the cotton, textile and jutes. There were only one big iron and steel firms on in Jamshedpur, and the other is in Kolkata. But after independence we need to expand the industrial basis. In this paragraph we had learned this. Before independence we are totally very weak in our agricultural development, but nowadays in industrial development also. But nowadays we are improving day to day according to our 5-year plans made by the Planning Commission and followed by the Indian government. According to that we are getting development day to day. This is the explanation and determination of industrialization. Next one is coming in front of you. Role of public sector, state in industrial development. Once again listen, in front of you one dark heading is given, role of public sector in bracket state in the industrial development. It is a very important part. So we have to discuss the big question facing the policy makers are what should be the role of government and the private sector in the industrial development. It was felt by the policy makers that the objectives of industrial development could not be left to the free play of market focus in demand and supply or the private sector. According to that, it is playing important role in industrial development. So now students, we have to come on the next topic is written role of state government by considered important because of the following factor. So our government is also helping to getting these types of achievement and activities. With the help of that we can able to know these all things. So now in front of you this is the given role of public sector. I am going to explain. Between that, lack of capital to undertaking investment. See here, it should be written here. In front of you it is the given lack of capital to undertaking investment. Now we are going to discuss A1. Indian industrialization did not have sufficient capital to undertake investment in the industrial venture joint of the development of the economy. पहले हमारे पास इनकम और कैपिटल की कमी होती थी जिसकी सहायता से हम अपने कंपनी को आगे प्रोग्रेस नहीं कर पाते थे. इसके लिए हमें डेवलप करने के लिए पब्लिक सेक्टर से लोन या गवर्नमेंट के माध्यम से हमें सुविधाएं प्रदान की गई. वी आर गेटिंग दीज टाइप्स ऑफ फैसिलिटीज़ विद द हेल्प ऑफ गवर्नमेंट and public sector, and nowadays we are improved and we are getting these types of lot of activities, and with the help of required investment we can able to develop our business. Because of lack the capital investment by the private entrepreneurship, government have to undertaken capital investment through public sector undertaking. Shortly we can say PSU. Second one is given in front of you. B. Lack of incentives for the private sector. The Indian market was not big enough to encourage industrialization or industrialists to undertaking major project even if they had to capital to do so. We can say there was low level aggregate demand because of limited size of market. In the simple words, there was inducements to invest because of profitability. So, dear students, we have to know there is a lack of incentives for the private sector. When India is developing, but we are facing lot of problems in industrialization and industrial sector. The second one is a lack of incentives for the private sector. These types of roles we are developing in the industrial development. And third one is a social justice. Social justice is also important part of our industrial development. The decision to develop the Indian economy, the socialist lines led to the policy of the state controlling the commanding highest of the economy. As the second 5-year plans put it, The objectives of socialistic pattern of the society could be achieved only through direct participation of the government in the process of industrialization. So dear students, second 5-year plan is the important part of our industrialization, and second 5-year plan is started in 1956. It is the main motive to improve our industrial relationship, and our India will grow after that. Industrial relationship will be better. साधारण शब्दों में हम ये कह सकते हैं, अगर हमारे देश में इंडस्ट्रीज़ मैक्सिमम बढ़ेंगे तो हमारे देश का रोज़गार बढ़ेगा और देश की इनकम बढ़ेगी, जिससे हमारी आर्थिक अर्थव्यवस्था मजबूत होगी और हमारा देश भी डेवलप करेगा. सो वी नीड दिस टाइप्स ऑफ इंडस्ट्रियल डेवलपमेंट. Once again listen, role of public sector in industrial development. First one, lack of capital. हमें पूंजी की कमी को रोकना चाहिए, हमें पूंजी बढ़ानी चाहिए या हमें पूंजी का सहयोग करना चाहिए जिसके माध्यम से हमारा इंडस्ट्रियल डेवलपमेंट बढ़े. दूसरा, प्राइवेट सेक्टर को बढ़ावा देना चाहिए जो हमारे पास कमी थी. तीसरा है सोशल जस्टिस, सामाजिक न्याय हमारे साथ होना चाहिए. ठीक है, इनके साथ हमारा इंडस्ट्रियल डेवलपमेंट आगे होगा. आफ्टर दैट लास्ट वी कैन से कंक्लूजन.